Welcome to Vinilish e-learning, an online English learning platform.
Unit 1 Basic English Grammar Part 1 Letter, Alphabet and Word.
Basic English grammar, common terms. Since this is the first language unit of Vinilish e-learning, we shall begin with the study of basic English language terms. This part of unit will cover letter, alphabet and word.
Letter. Letter is a symbol or character in an alphabet with its particular shape and unique pronunciation called phonetic sound. Example: A as A, M pronounced as M. Note: all these symbols have their own fixed shape and fixed pronunciation. There are 26 letters in English alphabet. These are the letters from A to Z with their international phonetic symbols, with their English pronunciation. Some smart letter styles.
Facts about letters. The most common letter in English is E. The most common vowel in English is E followed by A. The most common consonant in English is R followed by T. Every syllable in English must have a vowel sound. Not all syllables have consonants. The dot over the letter I and the letter J is called a superscript dot.
Alphabet. Alphabet is a set of letters used when writing in a language consisting of all consonants and vowels. An alphabet is a standard set of basic written symbols that represent the phonemes of a spoken language. In simple language, alphabet is a set of letters or other characters arranged in a customary order.
Facts about alphabet. The modern English alphabet is a Latin alphabet consisting of 26 letters, each having an uppercase form called capital letter and lowercase form called small letter. Its origin is from the Latin script. Letters of English alphabet in their upper and lower cases are the followings. These are the alphabets in their upper and lower cases. The word alphabet is a compound of first two letters of Greek alphabet, alpha and beta. The exact shape of printed letters varies depending on the font, and the shape of handwritten letters can vary significantly from the standard printed form and between individuals, especially when written in cursive style. Vowels and consonants. Vowels. 5 of the letters in English alphabet are vowels. These letters are A, E, I, O and U. A vowel is a speech sound produced by human beings when the breath flows out through the mouth without being blocked by the teeth, tongue, or lips. Vowels are one of the two principal classes of speech sounds, and the other being the consonant.
Consonants. The remaining 21 letters of the alphabet are called consonants. Consonant is a speech sound produced by human beings when the breath that flows out through the mouth is blocked by the teeth, tongue or lips. These following letters are called consonants. Note: sometimes Y is also considered as a vowel when it steals the sound of I and E. Examples: fly, cry, happy, sorry.
Alphabet of different languages. These are Sanskrit and Hindi alphabets. This is classical Latin alphabet. and this one is the Greek alphabet. This is the International Phonetic Alphabet, most popularly known as IPA, that means International Phonetic Alphabet.
Word. Word is the smallest unit of language made by the group of letters that has a particular meaning and can be expressed by itself. It is the smallest individual unit of spoken language with a particular meaning, composed of one or more phonemes and or one or more morphemes. Phoneme, an unsplittable unit of sound in a language. Morpheme, the smallest linguistic unit within a word that can carry a meaning such as un, break, and able in the word unbreakable.
In simple words, word is the smallest individual unit of written language with a particular meaning composed of one or more letters and or one or more morphemes. Examples of words: an, that makes an; children, that makes children; word, that makes word; homesick, that makes homesick. Here an, children, word and homesick are the units of letters and they have their own meaning. Therefore, they are words.
Facts. I indicating the first singular pronoun and a, which is a singular indefinite article, are the smallest words in English language. Also, in Old English, modern lyrics and poetry, one might find O, which is typically spelled O, which is simply an exclamation, is the third smallest word in English language. More English words begin with the letter S than with any other letter. The longest English word without a true vowel A, E, I or U is rhythm.
Pneumono ultramicroscopic silicovolcanoconiosis is the longest word in a dictionary. It is the name of a lung disease. The word bookkeeper, with its associate word bookkeeping, is the only unhyphenated English word with 3 consecutive double letters. The word uncopyrightable is the longest English word in normal use that contains no letter for more than once. A new word is added to English dictionary every 2 hours.
Thank you for visiting Winglish e-learning, an online English learning platform created by Vivek Tiwari and Nidhi Tiwari.
If you liked our video, please subscribe our channel.